Hello students, welcome back. I'm Payal and today we will learn about poem. Poem 8 हमारे त्योहार. हमारे त्योहार. त्योहार means students festival. त्योहार means festival. Students, if you're new in my channel, so please subscribe this channel and like the video and share with your friends. Thank you. इंट्रोडक्शन. सभी धर्मों के लोग त्योहार मनाते हैं. हम सबको त्योहार मिलजुल कर मनाने चाहिए. त्योहार मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स फेस्टिवल like Holi, Deepavali, Christmas, Eid. These types of the lots of festivals you know. So in Hindi, festivals called त्योहार. Dharmo means religion. Religions like Hindu, Mohammedan, Sikh, Christian, Parsi. These types of the different religions called in Hindi dharma. Say with me students. होली आई, होली आई, होली आई, होली आई, रंग बिरंगी होली आई, रंग बिरंगी होली आई. गुजिया खाओ रंग लगाओ, गुजिया खाओ रंग लगाओ, एक दूजे को गले लगाओ, एक दूजे को गले लगाओ. So in this line given about which festival students? Holi. Holi. Holi festival, color festival. Gujia means one of the sweets we are making at home in Holi's time. Rang means color. Gale lagao means hug. Do hug. अमावस की रात है काली, अमावस की रात है काली, जगमग जगमग आई दिवाली, जगमग जगमग आई दिवाली. दीप जलाओ मिठाई खाओ, दीप जलाओ मिठाई खाओ, पटाखों को ना हाथ लगाओ, पटाखों को ना हाथ लगाओ. So students, in this line, which festivals about information? Deepavali. Deepavali. So Diwali is the festival of light. Festival of light. In this festival, student, what are you doing that time? We are cleaning home, buying new dresses, wearing new dress, eating sweets and decorating home and house front of putting rangoli, then puja, Lakshmi Pujan we are doing. So these types of we are celebrating Deepavali. Deepavali also called and Diwali also called. Both word is right. See here in picture also given. And which festivals do you like students more? सब मिलजुल कर ईद मनाओ, सब मिलजुल कर ईद मनाओ, हिलमिल सबको गले लगाओ, हिलमिल सबको गले लगाओ, ईदी अब्बा से ले आओ, ईदी अब्बा से ले आओ, मीठी मीठी सेवैया खाओ, मीठी मीठी सेवैया खाओ. So students, in Mohammedan, in Muslims celebrating Eid festival. Eid festival. In Eid, they are celebrating as like same Deepavali. They are doing puja, means namaz, then cleaning home, making sweets, sevaiya like kheer, milk prepared by milk, using milk and sevai and khowas. That dish name is sevaiya. And Abba means father. Abba means father. And Eid is the festival name. And in Eid festivals, uh, children want Eid. Eid means giving money. Elders people giving money, like mama, papa, relatives, neighbors giving money like 100 rupees, 200 rupees. It's called Eid. In only on Eid's festivals given. Then next students, next see. गुरुपूरब की छठा निराली. गुरुपूरब की छठा निराली. गुरु की वाणी सबने मानी. गुरुपूरब की छठा निराली. गुरु की वाणी सबने मानी. नगर कीर्तन में सब जाओ. नगर कीर्तन में सब जाओ. सब मिलजुल कर झूमो गाओ. So in this picture, see students, this picture is here Sikh people. Sikh people wearing kurta, pajama, one stall. Then in every in Sikh committee wearing this what in head pagdi. Pagdi. It's called pagdi. Punjabi people's wearing pagdi. Sikh people. Pagdi wearing in head. So Gurupurab ki छठा निराली. So Sikh people celebrating Gurupurab. Sikh Gurupurab celebrating this festivals. In this festival they are doing puja and kirtan like nagar kirtan, like puja doing and saying related God song, saying related to God song. It's called kirtan. सब मिलजुल कर झूमो गाओ. And they are saying song related to God. Guru Nanak's related song they are singing. In Sikh community, this likes Gurupurab festival celebrating and doing langar also. Langar means like Mahaprasad. Then see students, here is the one more picture. What here you can see? She is decorating what? Tree. She is decorating tree. Which tree? It's called Christmas tree. And here is the down. Lots of gifts. Down is lots of gifts. And he is eating cake. वो क्या खा रहा है? केक खा रहा है. और ये जो लड़की है वो क्या कर रही है? अपने जो पौधे को वो सजा रही है. सजाना मीन्स डेकोरेटिव. क्रिसमस का त्योहार है आया. क्रिसमस का त्योहार है आया. सेंटा क्लॉस उपहार है लाया. सेंटा क्लॉस उपहार है लाया. मिलकर क्रिसमस ट्री सजाओ. मिलकर क्रिसमस ट्री सजाओ, मोमबत्ती जलाओ, केक खाओ. So students, in Christian community, in Christian religion, they are celebrating Christmas Day. Christmas Day. So how they are celebrating? Like Deepavali, cleaning home, buying new clothes, doing shopping, puja doing, offering candle in front of Prabhu Yeshu Masih. So their God name is Prabhu Yeshu Masih. And decorating tree with the help of lights and decorative items, and eating. In sweet they are preparing cake, pastries, and eating, and mombatti offering in front of God. Cake khao, eating cake. And upahar means students gifts. Okay. Then next, हम सबको करते हैं एक, हम सबको करते हैं एक, प्यार बढ़ाते हैं त्योहार, प्यार बढ़ाते हैं त्योहार, दूरी सभी मिटा देते हैं, दूरी सभी मिटा देते हैं, पास पास लाते त्योहार, पास पास लाते त्योहार. So students, we are celebrating a lots of different types of the festivals. In festival, we are in festival we are sharing food, then gifts, and we are celebrating festival with our neighbors, friends, then relatives. That time we are spreading happiness. So that time you feel very happy in festival time. See here in down also feel they all very happy. Okay, I hope so student this poem you understood. So now one more time we read this poem. If you read in class, so अगर आप क्लास में पढ़ते हो तो आपको कैसे पढ़ना चाहिए पोएम. होली लेसन नंबर नो, पोएम हमारे त्योहार, पोएम हमारे त्योहार. पोएम मीन्स कविता. होली आई, होली आई, आई चेंज पेन कलर. हाँ, होली आई, होली आई, रंग बिरंगी होली आई, गुजिया खाओ, रंग लगाओ, एक दूजे को गले लगाओ. अमावस की रात है काली, जगमग जगमग आई दिवाली, दीप जलाओ, मिठाई खाओ, पटाखों को ना हाथ लगाओ. सब मिलजुल कर ईद मनाओ, सब मिलजुल कर ईद मनाओ, हिलमिल सबको गले लगाओ, ईदी अब्बा से ले आओ, मीठी मीठी सेवैया खाओ. The next, गुरुपूरब की छठा निराली, गुरुपूरब की छठा निराली, गुरु की वाणी सबने मानी, नगर कीर्तन में सब जाओ, सब मिलजुल कर झूमो गाओ. क्रिसमस का त्योहार है आया, सेंटा क्लॉज उपहार है लाया, मिलकर क्रिसमस ट्री सजाओ, मोमबत्ती जलाओ, केक खाओ। हम सबको करते हैं एक, प्यार बढ़ाते हैं त्योहार, दूरी सभी मिटा देते हैं, पास पास लाते त्योहार। So this poem, this kavita related festival, different type of the festival. I hope so student, this poem you understood very well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and prepare well.